Now I will teach you something new by Dominos. Today I will teach you the adventure park by using Dominos. First you keep here and here. Then keep the here and here. Here. Then keep the here. Then here. Here.
You are calling this what? Adventure park?
Yes.
Okay. Why this is adventure park? You are telling?
It is because it looks like adventure park.
It looks like adventure park.
Yes.
Okay. So what will be there in this adventure park?
Trees.
Trees. Okay. So you are going to do the tree in Domino. Okay. This is what you are doing. Trees. Okay.
Now this is the mango tree.
Okay.
These dominoes are the mango.
Okay. Why? Mango color are yellow, that's why. The tree should have the stems and branches.
But in dominoes I can't make the stems and branches.
Okay.
Now this is the orange tree.
Okay. So yellow stands for mango. And what is this you are building?
Sea.
Sea beach.
Yes.
Okay.
This is the adventure park.
Okay.
And this is the adventure sea.
Sea.
Yes.
Okay. Nearby this garden there is a beach is there.
Yes. The yellow are the sand.
Yellow sand. Okay. Oh, then beach and there is a sand also there and yellow color. And what about the water?
Water I will make. And now these are the waves.
Okay.
The waves are coming to the sand.
Okay. People are also there. Yes. There's a domino people. Hey, domino people, what are you doing there?
Now, there is also a home nearby the garden.
Okay, there is a home nearby the garden. Good. So it's like a guest house or farmhouse.
This is a farmhouse.
Farmhouse, okay. Farmhouse means
Where animals live.
animals lives.
Yes.
Okay, not people.
No. So
Oh,
this is a house where animals live.
okay. But what about the people? Because there is a garden, sea beach. People should live in some cottage.
People, I will make separate one for people.
Okay,
But not now.
but not now. People's home. Okay, okay. If you don't make the boundaries, so what happens?
The thief enters to the house.
Wow. Thief enters to the house. Oh, then we should protect our house.
Now it's done.
It's done.
Yes.
Yes.
This is the adventure park and the adventure sea.
Wow.